Welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 13th of April 2017. Sharp drop was noticed in iron ore and copper prices over worries about robustness of the Chinese economy and heightened tensions surrounding North Korea with the United States. Nickel dropped by 4%, while zinc and tin are now trading at 13% and 18% below their 2017 highs set in February and January respectively. Amidst a weak trend in the global market and subdued domestic demand, nickel fell by 0.08% at Rs 637.6 per kg in futures trade today, as speculators cut down their bets. On the multi-commodity exchange, nickel for delivery in April was trading down by 50 paise or 0.08% at Rs 637.6 per kg, with only 373 lots traded so far. The metal for delivery in May was also down by a similar margin to trade at Rs 643.8 per kg with a turnover of only 5 lots. The fall in nickel prices was mostly in line with the weakening trend in metals overseas and muted demand at the domestic spot markets. Traders would also be unwinding their positions due to an extended weekend in the international market, as LME will be closed for trading on Friday and Monday. Chinese iron ore futures plummeted to a 3-month low on Thursday, reacting to decrease in the physical spot market as the demand continues to decrease with the continuous influx of imported iron in the Chinese markets. Chinese ports inventories have increased to more than 130 million tons. The iron ore market in Australia is bullish, but miners are expecting decreasing shares as iron ore prices are decreasing globally. The iron ore for delivery to China's Qingdao port declined by 8.5% to its lowest since last November. The 62% fines price retreated $6.34 to $68.04 per ton, marking the biggest one-day percentage decline in 13 months. Spot ore prices are decreased by 16.5% of its value in the past 5 sessions. Metals Update has released the Indian Copper Outlook 2020-21 Copper Out of the Pit. The report contains all you need to know about the Indian copper market. Indian refined copper consumption, production and price forecast have been provided till the year 2020-21 and a one-time purchase gives you access to all future updates in 2017. So hurry to book your copy now. Thank you for listening. Do join me again tomorrow for latest updates from the metals market. Do visit metalsupdate.com for more information. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.